We are fixing your autofill settings in the Brave web browser on PC so you can either speed up form fills or secure your personal data. Let's get right into it with Brave open on your desktop screen. Head up to the top right corner of your browser window and click on the three horizontal lines, which is your main menu button. Scroll down toward the bottom of that drop-down list and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over at the left-hand navigation pane and click on Autofill and Passwords. In the main center area of your screen, you will see two primary sections that handle your personal data: payment methods and addresses and more. First, let's click on Payment Methods. This area controls things like your credit cards, debit cards, and billing details. If the toggle switches next to your saved cards or the option to save payment info are toggled on, Brave will automatically prompt you to insert your credit card details on checkout pages. If you switch those toggles off, your card information stays completely locked down and nothing will autofill when you shop online. The important thing is that while turning this off gives you much better security on shared computers, you lose the convenience of one-click checkouts, meaning you will have to manually type out your long card numbers and expiration dates every single time you buy something. Now click the back arrow at the top left of the center pane to return to the main menu, and then click on Addresses and More. This section handles basic form details like your physical shipping address, phone number, and email address. You will see a setting right at the top called Save and Fill Addresses. If that setting is toggled on, Brave populates online forms instantly whenever you are signing up for accounts or shipping a package. Turning it off stops the browser from remembering your location details. Now, that goes both ways. Disabling this setting keeps your daily routine private from anyone sitting at your desk, but it also means you will be manually typing out your street name, postal code, and phone number on every single web form you encounter going forward. You can toggle these options on or off individually based on what works best for you, and your changes save automatically as soon as you click them. Just close out of the Settings tab when you are finished adjusting your preferences. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.